Hello everyone, welcome to this channel, Digital Cloud Academy. So today in this video we'll be talking about creating IAM users, groups and roles. Alright, so before we dive in, let me quickly explain what IAM really is. Okay, so you get to understand better while you're creating the users, the groups and the roles. So IAM is a system that helps control who can access what is in your organization's digital environment. All right, so it makes sure that the right people have the right access to the right resources and nothing more. The right people have access to the right informations, the right resources. Okay, so we'll be looking at how to create the user for IAM and the groups and the roles. So to do that, you have to sign in your AWS account. So I've already signed in my own. This is my AWS account. Okay, come after signing in, click on this search bar where you see search bar here. All right, you can type in IAM. IAM stands for Identity Access Management. All right, so type IAM, then you see it appear here as under your services. So click on it. So when you click on it and it opens, ensure you are on the IAM dashboard. All right, so this is the IAM dashboard. So click on users. This is users, so you click on users, and when you click on users, by the top right side of the screen you see create a user, create user. All right, so click on it, and when you click on create user, you can now type in your user details. So we'll be filling out step 1, which is specify our user details. The step 2 is the set permissions. Then the step 3 will review and then create the user. All right, so I'm just going to fill user details. Let's say this user is John, for instance. All right, so this user is named John. So I'm going to check this box, this little box here that says provide user access to the AWS Management Console. So this user that I'm creating will have access to our AWS Management Console, which is optional, but in this case, I'm going to check it. All right. So after clicking on it, these options appears. All right. So it's user type, specify a user in the identity center. I want to create IAM user. So you click on I want to create IAM user. All right. So after clicking here, then you see auto-generated password. The system automatically generates a password for you and you start using that password, or you create a custom password where you type in your own password. All right, so I'm just going to leave it at auto-generated password, and then I'll click ensure this box is great. Users must create a new password and sign in, and the next time you're signing in you have to create a new password. All right, so I'm clicking on next. And so when I click on next, it brings out these permissions. On our permissions tab, you see permissions options, add user to group, copy permissions, attach policies directly. So we're going to click on attach policies directly. Okay, so click on it, attach policies directly, then search for the policies that you want to attach. Let's say example S3 full access and the rest. So I'm going to use this policy. So there are a couple of policies here you can select from, depends on what you're working on. Okay, so this has been added. All right, so there are other policies here. These are all policies that you can attach. So whatever policies you want to attach, we have up to 1,346 policies here. So you can type in any policy of your choice. This is IAM full access, so I'm attaching this IAM full access. All right, and that's it. Okay, so after selecting your policies, scroll down and click on next. So these are the policies I selected. Amazon S3 full access. So when you click on next, it brings you to this review and create. So these are the user details. We have John as the username, account password is auto-generated, then require password reset, yes. So immediately I log out of this account, then try to log in again, I'll be asked to reset my password. All right, and then click on create user. When you're done and you're okay with all of this, and then you click on create user, and boom, our user is created. As you can see here, user created successfully. All right, so this is this console sign-in URL that we used to log in. This is our username John, and this is our password. We can show this is the password, and we can hide. All right, and so we click on return to user lists. So this is basically how to create an IAM user. You can see, so we can create as much user as we want. So created one, so you can create more users. And on the next video, I'm going to show you how to create user groups. All right, I'll show you how to create user groups. All right, see you guys later. Bye.